Amid ongoing raids on political and social activists by the India's Hindutva regime, New Delhi has decided to seal 100 more educational institutions and properties belonging to the Jamaat-e-Islami. The decision is the part of the crackdown operations unleashed by Indian Home Ministry led by Amit Shah and State Investigation Agency head by RSS-inspired RR Swain on pro-freedom leaders and organizations in the occupied territory. After freezing the Jamaat-e-Islami bank accounts, New Delhi has started seizing the properties including schools and offices. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement in Srinagar denounced the Indian government's brutal decision and said that Narendra Modi and Amit Shah are targeting the Jamaat-e-Islami for raising its genuine demand for right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. The spokesman said that such an inhumane decision could only be made by a fascist regime of Modi and Amit Shah. The Jammu and Kashmir chapter of Congress President Waqar Rasoolwani and other party leaders including Raman Bhalla addressing a rally in Jammu questioned the BJP's much-hyped achievements after the abrogation of special status. They said the BJP only snatched the dignity, status, rights, jobs and business opportunities from the locals after the August 2019's action. National Conference General Secretary Ali Muhammad Sagar, addressing a workers' meeting in Srinagar, said the party will continue to fight for restoration of the identity of Jammu and Kashmir. Top Muslim scholar Muhammad Jamaluddin and his son Abdul Hamid are among 9 persons killed in tragic road accidents in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The father-son duo along with 2 other persons were killed when their cars skidded off the road and fell into a deep gorge in Udhampur district. Abdul Hamid was chief cleric at Jamia Masjid in Ramban district. Earlier, 5 persons including a policeman died and several others were injured in road accidents in Shopian and Jammu districts. IIOJK at a meeting in Islamabad today expressed condolences over the death of Sayyid Ghulam Ahmad Shah, father of Hurriyat leader Sayyid Manzoor Ahmad Shah in the occupied territory.